Have you been helping out Mum and Dad with their cooking these holidays? Or maybe it's their birthday coming up and you want to give them a surprise? We have got a yummy and healthy family dinner idea from our friends at Food for Thought that you could try out. It's a stir-fry noodle bird's nest. It's super yummy and easy, and here's what you'll need. You need half a cup of cold water, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and then over here you'll need some broccoli. I've got about a cup, 1 chopped carrot, beans, I've got 1 or 2 chopped spring onions, and then you can have other things. You can have peas, you've got corn, I've got red capsicum, maybe some herbs as well. Then you'll need a packet of egg noodles, and I've already cooked mine and I'll show you them later. And then over here you will need 2 cloves of garlic chopped up, and then 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger and a pinch of chilli flakes if you like it. Okay, let's get into it. I've already washed my hands, so we're making the sauce first. So grab a bowl and top tip, add your corn flour first, because if you put your corn flour in a lot of liquid, then it tends to go a little bit kind of like lumpy. So add your water in, just putting a little bit, and then it'll kind of turn it into a bit of a paste. That's awesome. So then we can put the rest of our water in, and now it's all cloudy and it's not all lumpy. That's what we want. Then add soy sauce, and then our sugar and sesame oil. Oh. Pop those in, get your sugar out, and then mix it all up, and now we're going to leave that aside. On my stove, I've already got my kind of fry pan on the go, and it's at a medium to high heat, and I'm just going to pop a bit of oil in there. Or if it's a bit hot, you can always take it off. So mine's really hot at the moment, so I'll bring that off the heat. Then I'm going to take my ginger, garlic, and chilli, and then I'm going to fry this off. So, put the garlic in, get my ginger, oh no, that was garlic and then a pinch of chilli flakes, not too much if you don't like it, and then fry that off. And this will only need kind of around about 10 seconds because we just want to fry off and get those lovely flavours going. Now it's important for this not to be too hot because then it can burn this, so make sure it's at a good heat. I'm going to pop it back on, and then I'm going to add all my veggies. So that goes in, carrots, spring onions, beans, get all that goodness in there and give it a stir. Now, good thing with stir fry is that, you know, it's nice and hot, so we kind of really cook these vegetables nice and fast. So they're all a bit kind of still crisp in the middle. I'm going to add a little bit of water, and this is going to help them just steam the veggies off a little bit. Steam them up, and then cook this for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes is what we want. So imagine that I've been cooking for maybe about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add our soy sauce mixture in. And because it's got corn flour, what it's going to do is that kind of acts as a thickener. So it's going to be like instead of like a runny stir fry, it's going to turn into a nice thick stir fry. So, and then cook that for another 2 minutes. I'm just going to leave that there for now. And when that's all done, it's going to look like this. And this is such a yummy kind of gooey, saucy deliciousness of a stir fry. I've already cooked my noodles and I've put them into little bowls, kind of like this, and they're like little bird's nests as well. They are so cool, so you can kind of make it into a little your own bird's nest, and then get your veggies, and then pop them into the middle, like a little bird's nest. Oh, cool. I love those. They're so awesome, and it's super healthy as well. Delicious. All right, remember that Food for Thought is in schools all over New Zealand teaching Kiwi kids how to make sure the food that we eat gives us the best energy and vitamins for the whole whānau. And it's free. Thank you to Newworld.